My people are great over now. Everybody, good evening. Depending on the time when you take to see this video. Delta State government, the problem of Delta State now with all the face now. 24 years, Ibori Rui go. He put his brother Odwaga rule now, don't go. Ibori said put Okowa rule now, don't go. Honorary drillage, see Okere road now. Who prisoner safe, water don't pursue them more for inside the prison. Drainage where they park, they not go put community people to take monitor the drainage. Make them for park those things. So now we carry on our own people take up monitor. Now see Okere road. See everywhere for the full warri. Now once small rain fall, everybody go to park one fast. People now when rain don't scatter their property. Una get wetin they give them. Make una answer me this question. Una get wetin I give them. Ibori the idiots when you put for position, they don't dey cause wetin they do for Delta State. You and they enjoy and corrupt the Delta State. Then make all of us remember say this life when we all dey live so. Everybody go enter 6 feet. You say water when you allow they carry people papa grave, they will still carry your papa grave. Still carry your own grave. When you remember say Effueun no get SC. I know DSS there. Our governor Sheriff. I no include your name because you just come. People when they give you goat when they no wan comot hand for rope. Tell them make they comot hand o. Not go dey lis ten to them for say na they be godfather o. If na your any 4 years then they give me you take package, use that package your warri o. If you not use that package your warri, smoke SK make you no dey lis ten to them o because the rope wey they give you so they see hold and they say make you come do agbo leave warri o. I beg you. Make the Effueun not see come meet you. If you don't like, wanna come after me, wanna come arrest me, I no fucking care.